Place the headboard in the desired position and remove packaging. Open both divan storage bases. Remove the bag from inside containing the fixings. Identify the parts: 5 long bolts, metal U-clip, glides and a small bag of washers. Tap the glides into the holes on each corner. Once all glides are connected, carefully place the bases down and line up in front of the headboard. Next, open the bases and connect the gas piston by removing then inserting the provided bolt. Make sure all nuts are fully secure and tighten using a spanner or 14mm ratchet. Now insert the long bolts from behind the headboard and into the divan ottoman bases. Attach the washer with the provided nuts. Attach the metal U-clamp to hold both bases together. Insert the 5th bolt through the hole. Tighten with the provided washer and nut. And that's it. Push the bed back to the wall and enjoy your new bed.